So this is a 1964 Pontiac GTO, and I'm not going to shoot much of it. A friend of mine owns it. He's just doing a little bit more work to it. He wants to hold off before I do a story behind it. I did one of his other, I think it may have been a 64, but I think it was a 65 GTO that I shot of his. Oh, sorry about that. Another Trans Am. So
you want to start moving your chairs and stuff up here to the front. The square dancing demonstration is going to be on in about 10 minutes. So bring your chair up, get comfortable, buy some more raffle tickets.
So I just shot that Trans Am down there. I was talking to the owner, and he was telling me that in '73 they really screwed up the horsepower, put emissions, all kinds of government BS. So doesn't have the horsepower that the earlier models had. Oldsmobile 88. Boy, I love the Rocket 88. And then the mirror. So there's the valve covers. So when I was growing up, I had a friend. He had an Oldsmobile. It was his dad's. But he'd always talk about the Rocket 88, how fast it was. Look at that dash. Holy smokes. This one, General Motors was making more money, and I think the saying was, when General Motors sneezes, the country gets a cold. They were such a large part. Wow. Whoa.
Or there.
Love it.
Thank you much. Thank you much.
So I have a
When you do that right full by, boys, take your right hand, put it in the small of her back. Girls, you put your hand back there, because if you don't, he can put his hand anywhere he wants to. All right, turn the girl. Good. Everybody pass through. Bend the line. Pass through. Don't turn around. I didn't tell you to turn around. Bend the line. And right and left through. Turn the girl. Turn the girl. Turn the girl. Turn the girl. Am I speaking for him? Hey! Everybody, boys right hand, girls left hand, star through. What am I going to do with you, Lisa? Two ladies chained straight across. Turn the girl. Everybody pass through. If you're looking at a girl, star through. If you're facing out, hang on to her California squirrel. Get excited, you're home. All right. Now, sides, pass through. California squirrel. Pass through. California squirrel.
That was really good shape.
Those in the head position, pass through.
Year-old guy in there, and like I'm gonna steal this, but I'm good. So then, and this is like around Christmas. So Bob's like, let me look around some. So, oh, I know what it was. Is on the way back, I told him about the place. He said, well, I think well, don't buy anything. I think I'll find them for you. And he says, yeah, it's a masterpiece.
Alright, we got time for about one more tip.